So you're thinking about boosting your energy, building muscle, maybe even aging a little slower without turning into a human pincushion? Yeah, same here. That's exactly why I went down the rabbit hole on Everlife Sermorelin. And trust me, there's a lot to unpack. Some good, some let's think twice. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll know if this is legit or just another fancy wellness trap. First off, what even is Sermorelin? In simple terms, it's not actual growth hormone. It's more like a wake-up call for your body, telling it to produce its own growth hormone naturally. And that's a big deal because synthetic HGH, that stuff gets expensive and risky real quick. Now Everlife's angle is convenience. You take a quick online health quiz, get reviewed by a licensed doctor, and if approved, you get Sermorelin in either sublingual tablets or injections. And I'll be honest, the tablet option, that's a huge win. Not everyone wants to stab themselves daily like it's a side quest. So what can it actually do? Based on how it works, boosting your natural growth hormone may help with maintaining muscle mass, supporting fat metabolism, better sleep and recovery, more stable energy levels. But here's the keyword, may. This isn't some overnight transformation, it's more like going to the gym. You won't wake up shredded tomorrow, but over time you notice the difference. Now let's keep it real for a second. This is still a prescription-based treatment, not a magic supplement you grab like vitamins. That's actually a good sign. It means there's medical oversight, but it also means this isn't for everyone, and results, they vary. Your lifestyle, sleep, diet, all of that still matters, no shortcuts here. So is Everlife legit? From what I've seen, the process checks out. Real doctors, pharmacy-sourced medication, and a structured system that puts it far above those sketchy growth hormone boosters you see floating around online. Bottom line, if you're looking for a more natural way to support energy, recovery, and body composition, and you're okay with the medical process, this could be worth considering. But if you're expecting instant results with zero effort, yeah, this ain't that. And honestly, that's probably a good thing. If you were searching for a real breakdown without the hype, I got you. Now you know what it is, how it works, and whether it fits your goals. And hey, make sure you don't miss the next one because I've got another product coming that might surprise you even more. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.